How's your country? How's the weather over there in Indonesia? Is it hot? Konting Tagalog lang ang pagsasalita. Okay. So I will speak English for you or you can just understand Tagalog. Because most of the viewers right now are Filipino, they can understand Filipino language. But for you, if you cannot understand, I will speak English so everyone can understand. Madalas akong lumalabas sa, I saw you in Hami TV, Jamie TV Hami live. But earlier, I have not gone to her live because I'm busy. I'm busy earlier today, so I was not able to go on her live. Sometimes I go also to Opa, the Korean guy, si Ino Opa. I also go to his live because I enjoy his show. Pag kumakanta siya, maganda yung boses. He has a good voice when he sings. Not yet. I still have 550 watch hour. That's why you can see me doing lives and doing live stream because I double time so that I can get more WH. I double my time so I can get more WH. Is it are you monetized already? Your account is already your channel, I mean, is already monetized.